Are you tired of those boring and confusing permalinks on your website? Don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your permalinks to something that's easy on the eyes and good for SEO. Trust us, your visitors and Google will love you for it. So, let's dive into how to change permalinks in WordPress. Alright, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down until you see the Settings option. Hover over it, click on Permalinks from the menu that pops up. WordPress offers a variety of permalink formats that you can choose from depending on your website's needs. Let's go over them first. The first one is plain. This is the default setting and it uses a basic structure with a post ID number. Then there is day and name. This structure includes the date and name of the post in the URL. Then month and name, similar to the above, but with only the month and name included in the URL. The fourth one is numeric. This format uses only the post ID number in the URL. And then there is the most popular of them all, post name. This format uses the title of the post in the URL. And the last one is custom structure. This option allows you to create a custom structure for your permalinks using a combination of tags that represent different pieces of information such as the post name, category, tag, and date. Before we change the settings, let's go ahead and check our current permalinks. I will just click on the Hello World post. As you can see in the address bar, the URL is very long and ugly. Now let's go back to the permalink settings and choose the option that we want to apply to our links. I will choose the post name option, as it helps with SEO and is very easy to read. Once you have selected the option you want, scroll down. Click on the Save Changes button. The settings have been saved. Let's go ahead and check the results. Let's go to the home page and open the Hello World post again. Here you go. You can see in the address bar, the URL has been changed to our domain / the post name. So that's how you change permalinks on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for new WordPress tutorials daily. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.